On this graph are the results of a survey of AI researchers at one of the main AI conferences in 2016. They were asked about their views on the likelihood of general AI occurring, which they called high-level machine intelligence, or HLMI. Each individual respondent estimated the probability of high-level machine intelligence arriving in future years. Taking the mean over each individual, the aggregate forecast gave a 50% chance of high-level machine intelligence occurring within 45 years. That would mean we could expect to see it in 2061 on average, but with a 10% chance of it occurring within 9 years or by 2025. As is often the case, there were regional differences. For instance, Asian researchers expected general AI to happen far sooner, in 30 years on average, whereas North American researchers expected it to happen in 74 years on average. A later 2019-2020 survey of a similar group provided consistent results for HLMI. In 2016, the researchers predicted an AI agent would be able to beat human poker players by mid-2021 and beat human Atari gamers by late 2033. Actually, these benchmarks were achieved in 2019 for poker players and 2020 for Atari gamers. One of the areas covered by the survey was whether respondents felt that achieving high-level machine intelligence would result in a bad or very bad outcome. And by very bad outcome, we mean an event that would lead to human extinction by the AI. As you can see, 15% felt that this was likely. By 2020, a slightly lower 12% thought this. Given these figures, you would expect that many people in the research community are actively working to make sure that a bad outcome does not come about. At present, we're in the situation shown on the left of the slide. The red human is shown as far larger than the robot representing AI to indicate humanity's higher relative intelligence and power. As we heard from the AI researchers, this state will not last that long into the future. At some point, the capabilities of AI-based systems will have improved to a level where they are comparable with humans. It is at this point something really interesting, or scary, depending on your point of view, could take place. If these latest, most capable AIs are allowed to use the internet, then they will potentially have access to nearly all available human knowledge, along with almost unlimited processing power and storage. Thus, there is the possibility for a runaway reaction of self-improvement cycles, whereby a self-learning AI could gain in intelligence as it exposes itself to more information and accesses more computing resources. Very quickly, such a system could undergo an intelligence explosion, resulting in a powerful superintelligence that would, by then, have overtaken human intelligence. The point at which general AI starts self-improving in such a rapid way is known as the point of technological singularity. It raises the tricky question of whether a general AI should be given access to the internet with all the information, memory and processing power available there.